Just for the camera. The fuck away from me. Fuck you looking at. Alright, I'll walk over there. Just for a little bit though. Now I'm raising this fucking frying. It's bullshit, man. Pumped in my mouth and shit. Yeah, just give me a cookie, bitch. I'm a lesbian. Oh shit, I got new wheels, son. Oh shit, here I go. Oh goddamn, look at me looking fresh. Looking fly like a bird. Check me out, y'all. Cookies, I love cookies.
And, you know, sometimes we shop at the toy store for him, and, you know, when he turns 16,
Alright, this is it. Oh shit. Look at this nose slide. Look at me and my nose slide. I'm using my nose. Yeah. Cookie. Oh shit, the hoop's coming out. Oh shit. Oh shit. Here we go. Early. Oh, what's good? I'm getting late tonight. I'm so getting my feathers ruffled, bitches.
thank you very much.
Whoa, what the fuck are you drinking? I'm the one doing all the goddamn work. Oh, but I got a cookie, it's so good.
Yeah, here you go. Alright, yeah, you ready?
Yeah, just fucking said that. Wait, where you taking me? Wait, what's this shit? Whoa. What the fuck? How the fuck am I supposed to do this shit? Better hold on. Oh, shit. Hold the fuck My only friends are animals.
This high wire bicycle, and it's just the hardest one he has to do.
I'm a fucking bird. I wouldn't have to walk this shit if you didn't clip my goddamn feathers. Alright, let's do this shit so I can get paid in cookies, son. Whoop. What the fuck? My cuticle.